How can pride and arrogance help us spiritually? Well, in Proverbs 16:18, it says that pride comes before the fall and arrogance. The key of it all is the fall. That if you have a lot of pride, you have a lot of arrogance, eventually it will catch up with you and you'll go down. The key is right there, when you go down. When we go down and it leads to a better life, a spiritual benefit, there we find God's grace and forgiveness. There we discover life is not all about being centered on ourselves, but life is about putting ourselves under God, and most of all, when we fall, receiving God's love and grace in Jesus Christ. He wants to meet us there. He wants to build our life up on His righteousness, His forgiveness, His grace, His love. God wants to make a difference in our life. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, Salam alaikum, la paz de Dios en tu viaje. God's peace be with you on your journey.